Tucson, Arizona. The old Pueblo, Tuck Town. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my city. I hope you enjoy the journey. We're on the way to the train station. Thanks for watching, y'all. This stoplight was not run. If you look to the left, there is a green arrow underneath that light. When I become a billionaire, I'm going to buy this bridge, build a mansion on top of it, shut it down, and fill this area underneath with water. This low-lying area, it's gonna be my moat. I'll have easy access to the city, a beautiful mansion right here on top of this bridge, and crocodiles in a moat. I'm gonna stop talking until we get to the train station. You are welcome in advance. We have made it to the train station. Now we're not going to get on a train and take a lovely trip. This isn't that kind of video. No, my friends, we are in the search of a public restroom. You see, this video originally started out with a GoPro suction cupped to the top of a car. However, we have drank lots and lots of liquids. Maybe it's fate that's brought us here for a video. This is the Tucson train station. A very historical place. We have gotten out of the car to search for a restroom. However, it's 110, so we will be leaving quickly, no matter what we find. As you can see, though, it says that they are open. One thing about it, it is not busy at all. I'm hot too, honey. As soon as we find a restroom for Grandma, we'll be out of here. Will you please come get some water? I've got some right here, honey. Ooh, look at this historic wagon. That thing's been wagoning for quite some time, that one too. You know, I've been in need of a haircut.
We're gonna survive this desert together, me and you. You ready? Yep.
Well, hello, gentlemen. We gotta stop meeting like this. It's wonderful to run into you guys here, though. Wyatt Earp and Doc Holliday. If I find myself in need of dental work later, I will be back. All right, take care, have fun. And remember, it's a dry heat. We're getting through this.
Mother, the car is this way. The car is this way.
Wow, this is a really cool looking train. I have to admit, I don't have a lot of experience riding the rail. I haven't really been around the country like you'd think on train, but my friends, I would love to. I would love to. In one of those big, beautiful cars that are like a hotel room. Party, party. We're gonna find the car. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching. I give all the glory to God. Later, y'all.